Hi friends, I'm very excited to be sharing with you one of my favorite Nigerian sauce made with palm oil. Friends, I'm very positive you're gonna love this one. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ada and this channel is called Cooking with Ada. Friends, today I want to make a very special Nigerian stew, and this stew is palm oil stew because we are going to make it with palm oil. And the secret to this stew is that you have to use lots of onions, peppers, and just very little bit of tomatoes. Growing up, or usually when my mom makes this stew, I you can eat it with anything. You can eat it with yam. You can eat it with rice, anything at all. But today I'll be making my palm oil stew with goat meat. Although right now I have my cow leg on fire because cow leg takes a lot of time to boil, so I like to pre-boil my cow leg before any other thing. I'd also be using shaki. This is called shaki, and then this is the stomach of the cow, the offals of the cow. We have here iru. We have here eggs. We would also be using eggs because we're boiling these eggs and dropping them inside the stew to give the stew a different level of flavor. So friends, I'm so excited about this dish, and accompanying my stew I'll be using beans, rice and plantain. So stick around, let's see how we do we do this dish justice. So friends, come along, let's cook. Like I earlier mentioned, I have my cow leg cooking here. I boiled this cow leg with two beef seasoning cubes, a little and just a little bit of salt and water. Then of course, with the roasted onions that I like to use to cook when I cook. So that's what I used to boil this cow leg. I'm boiling it separately because cow leg has a very strong the taste is very strong, and just it takes longer to cook. Cow leg takes longer to cook, and it has a very distinct taste that you don't want it to overshadow the other protein you're using to cook. So that's why I always Israel mommy is cooking, so that's why I like to cook it separately. Yeah, I'll start by boiling the I'll start by boiling my meat. Offals, I already washed them. They're already washed. I boiled beef cubes. So feel free to use any seasoning you like for your meat. This is what I like to use. Yeah. Okay. This is curry. Just add just 1 spoon. This is going to be very spicy because of the pepper that is already in there. This is ginger. This is garlic. And this is black pepper. Now we're in water. So here I have spring onions. I have tomatoes, just about 3 tomatoes or 4 small tomatoes. Then I have bell peppers. Then I have more of onions. I have one, two, three, four, five bob onions. And I have the habanero pepper. So I'm gonna go blend all this. I also have garlic here. I have garlic. I'm going to go crush all this. So I'm using a crusher, not a blender, because I don't want it to be smooth. I want it to be a bit rough. So I'm using a crusher. Okay, the meat looks cooked already. It looks very well cooked. It looks soft too, so I'll just okay, soft. So quickly fry this a little, then before we start making our stew. It's just a little bit of olive oil to fry. I could use the palm oil to fry, but fry it. So I'll mix it together. Just quickly add yeah, Israel. Yes. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. So I'm going to I don't want to fry it too dry. So I'll just leave it for another 3 or 5 minutes, and then I'll bring it out. Let me just cover it a bit, or I'll leave it a bit, not splash. Yeah, 5 minutes will do. So to start, I'm done frying now, and I want to make my palm oil sauce. So I just try to sieve out some of that oil. It's not 100% sieved out, but it works. I might want to put a little bit of oil because it's not palm oil makes you cough. I don't know why it does that. You know, palm oil makes me cough. Allow it heat up a while. But I'm also going to add a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit. So I have reduced the burner now to on low heat. So I'll start with adding my iro. Yes, drop easily. Then I'll add my crushed onion, pepper, tomatoes, every. I'll just add that to it. Now allow this to fry. Okay, now allow it fry.
So if you're watching this video up until now and you're learning something new, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button so that I can get a notification anytime I post a new video. This encourages me to make more cooking videos for you.
So I'm going to allow this fry for some time. So I have here some fresh mint leaf. I'm going to go wash this fresh mint leaf because I'm going to use it later on. So this is what it looks like now after frying for about 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna let it fry more, but I want to start seasoning my stew. Like call this stew sauce, but it's a stew. I like it that way. I start with a little bit of thyme. This is curry. Crayfish is very important, so you have to add enough crayfish to this stew. Beef seasoning cubes. Already smell. I can already perceive the aroma. Excuse me. So you have to allow this stew fry very well. So I'm just gonna let it keep frying for the next 15 minutes, but at intervals I'll keep stirring it because if not you don't want the stew to get burnt. So that's why I'm stirring it this way. Let me leave it and I will come back to it. So I'll check it again, see if it looks good, but I'll leave it for like another 5 So it doesn't have any bitter taste anymore, because usually like when pepper and all these things are raw, they have like kind of like a bitter taste. So if you want to know if your pepper is well fried, the bitter taste will disappear. So that's like one way to know if your pepper is well fried. So I think it's well fried, but I just want to still leave it for like another 5 to 10 minutes, just because I want it to be very fried to taste better that way. So I'll leave it again. Okay, so I think it's okay now. Now to add a little bit of the meat broth that we used to cook all that meat. I just added a little. I'm adding a little at a time so that I can be able to know if it needs more or not. So that's why I'm adding a little at a time. So I'll add a little bit more. I'll add a little bit. Okay, so add some mint leaves, just a little bit of mint leaves for that extra flavor. A little bit of salt. Add my cow leg. Adding it two at a time. Now add some of the cow leg broth as well. The mint leaf, the taste of the mint leaf just took this stew to a whole new level. So let's go in with our rishi assorted meats, goat meat, the offals of the cow. Call this rishi Nigeria. Yummy. So yummy. And allow this heat up for another maybe 5 minutes, and it's okay. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes though. I also like to use the broth of the cow leg broth to cook. It tastes so nice. Let's add a little bit of course, eggs go in now. So that's it, friends. My stew is ready. I'll just give that a little bit of stir. When you're stirring, you have to be careful so that the egg doesn't break. So I'm going to leave this for like another 10 minutes or maybe 5 to 10 minutes depending on my mood, because I want the egg to cook a bit in the stew and be there for a while. Hi friends, so before we go, I just want to quickly share with you a quick drink recipe that I like. I hope you guys know that you can use mint leaves to make a cocktail drink. So I want to quickly make a cocktail drink with mint leaves, and I hope you guys get to try it out. So I'm adding about maybe 10 to 12 leaves of mint leaves. Yeah, I think this is more than 12 now. So I'm just going to like try to pound it a bit. I mean, I don't have a pound or something, but if you can do this, to just try and break the leaf into bits, but not too much. Okay. And I'll go in with 2 cups of this is lemon juice. This lemon juice is not so sugary, so it's fine. Doesn't have too much sugar for those people who don't like sugar in your juice. Okay, then I'll just go with 1/4 cups of raspberry juice, or rather raspberry syrup. Yeah, that's it. And add about 3 lemon slices, and friends, that's it. Enjoy your juice. Cheers.
Friends, we've come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed watching this one. Please let me know what you think about this dish in the comment below. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till I see you in my next video. Cheers. Bye.